Good morning from Mendocino County. This is Willits, and I'm about to get onto the skunk train for about a 4-hour trip.
My husband works from home. We run a Boy Scout camp, and so he lives where he works. And
Pulling
he has to
out
go
of
away.
the skunk station.
And I've got other light snacks and stuff. So, and I have adult beverages, so if anybody's interested. Yeah, it's 101 Donuts and more down in South.
Front door of that house, there's usually a little old lady that waves at our train every single day. If you happen to see her over there, make sure you wave back at her.
He was just referring to the lumber here, the redwood.
Back at a repair shop in Fort Bragg.
And of course, with all the rain we had in October, the green on the hill.
Big scar, but I know I had it coming. No, I can't be free. Well, those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, at the freeing from this prison, railroad train was mine. Then I knew it on a little farther down the line. Yeah, far from hope and prayer. Where I long to stay. Well, I've been there for something.
That's how I made the table. Oh my god.
And
Yeah.
and the railings for
Northspur. Pumpkins.
So how does that work? If
there's a saw underneath the tarp. Those are the rails. And you get it perfectly level, and you can do minor adjustments.
Cool.
Yeah, this is where we go.
Welcome. Here we are, the end of the treks. Well, it's not really the end, halfway.
just a different time. Same old train, but it's just a different time. Great secret or treasure, measurable in worth, stand before a new age, proud children of the earth. We'll go on forever, here's your solid proof. As long as there's a world, we're gonna sing these folks too. Came from the hills and the mountains, valleys and the plains. Some are kind and gentle, some too wild to tame. String fearless hearts on an endless ball of twine. Same old train, but it's just a different time. Same old train.
Always got an otter box. You can jump up and down on that. Can the train run over that box too?
I don't think this would survive.
Otter box as part of your ramp.
This would not survive too well if the train went over it.
This is the phone. Look, it's the otter
Oh,
box.
yes, yeah.
You're supposed to be able to run over that with a car, or a Hummer for that matter, right? I think Hummer is what they advertised.
Those Hummers, they're big for sure.
Yep. Will you make it more appropriate, right?
There was a minor derailment, and we've been given some thumbs up here.